Hello everyone, this is Govind Sogla, and in previous videos we have discussed how to convert decimal to any base and any base to decimal conversion. And today we are just gonna discussing about conversion of 2 power any base to other 2 power base conversion. So let's get started. So let's take, I have mentioned here some things. So binary of 0 0 0, binary of 1 0 1, binary of 2 1 0, and binary of 3 1 1. So here 0 0, that are called two, these are called 2 bits. So this is 2-bit representation. 0 0, so this is, these are 2 bits, so 2-bit representation. And 2-bit representation of 1, so 0 1, 2-bit of representation of 2 1 0, 2-bit representation of 3, that is 1 1. So 0 1 2 3, so 0 to 3 digits are used, so base will be 4. Similarly 3 in 3-bit representation, so 0 to 7, that is 8 combinations are possible. So 0 0 0, 0 0 1, binary of 1 0 0 1, binary of 2 0 1 2, 0 1 0, 3 0 1 1, 4 1 0 0, 5 1 0 1, 6 1 1 0, 7 1 1. So 0 to 7 digits are used, so base is 8. Now in 4-bit representation, so 0, binary of 0, so 0 0 0, and binary of 1 0 0 0 1, binary of 2 0 0 1 0, binary of 3 1 0, sorry 0 0 1 1, binary of 4 0 1 0 0, binary of 5 0 1 0 1, and binary of 6 0 1 1 0, binary of 7 0 1 1 1, binary of 8 1 0 0, and binary of 9 1 0 0 1, binary of 10. So we can represent 10 with A. So binary of A 1010, and binary of B 1011, binary of C, that is 12 1100, and binary of D 1101, binary of E 1110, binary of F 1111. So this is 0 to 50, this is here 0 to 15 digits are used, so base is 16. Fine. Now in base 4, 2-bit representation, and in base 8 3-bit representation, and in base 16 4-bit representation. So just try to remember these things. In base 4 2-bit representation, base 8 3-bit representation, and in 6, and in if base is 16, so 16 so 4-bit representation. So let's take first example. How can be used our properties in a questions? So let's see. So this is question, this is very first question, and here base 4 to binary conversion. This is base 4, and we have to convert in binary in binary. So for binary, so that means base would be 2. So base, so here base is 4, so that means in base 4 how many bit can be used? So in base 4 only 2 bits are used, 2-bit representation. So in base 4 2-bit representation. So here let's see. Okay, so just start representing. So binary of 2 in 2 bits, binary of 2 in 2 bits, that is 10. So in base 4 2-bit can be used, so just represent 2 in 2 bits. So binary of 2 10. Similarly binary of 3 11, binary of 3 11, binary of 2 10, binary of 1 0 1, and likewise binary of 3 11, binary of 2 10. So this is pretty simple to convert any 2 power base to other 2 power base, 2 power any base. Okay, let's take another example. 726.105. This is base 8, that is this is octal number, and again we need to convert in binary number. So base is 8 this time. So in base 8, that means octal number we represent with 3 bits. Every octal number we represent with 3 bits. Okay, so binary of 6, we binary of 6 1 1 0, and binary of 2 0 1 0, binary of 7 1 1 1, binary of, similarly binary of 1 0 0 1, and 0 0 0 0, 5 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So we have converted octal number to decimal, sorry, binary number easily. Let's take another example. 780.C2 and here base is 16, that means hexadecimal number, and again we need to convert in binary number. So how can we convert it? So try to recall the things. If base is 16, so 4-bit representation, and I have mentioned it here as well. In base 16, 4-bit representation. So binary of D. So basically what is D? D is, so D is 13, and binary of 13 1101. Binary of 13 1101. So D, this is 1101. Sorry, this one is missing here. Okay, so binary of A, this is 10, so 1010 in 4-bit. Binary of 7 111, and we have to represent number in 4-bit, so add 0 over here. Okay, now similarly C nothing but it is 6, it is 12, so 1100 and 20010. So this is how we can convert any base to any base, any 2 power base to any other 2 power base. Let's take another example, 111, like that, and this is a binary number we have to convert in base 4. So okay, this is a binary number. For base 4 we use 2-bit. For base 4 we use 2-bit. So just start making pairs of 2-bit. Okay, so this is point, so this is point over here, and we'll start making pairs of 2-bit. We'll start with point, in that manner, in this order, likewise. So start making pairs. So 110, this is one pair, 11, this is one pair, 01, this is one pair, 01, this is one pair, and 11, this is one pair. So we have only digit 1 left, so just add 0 over here. Okay, so 01, this is one pair. Now here start. So 10, this is one pair, 01, this is one pair, and 10, this is, so here only 1 is left, so add 0 over here. Because if we have we have any number and we add 0, okay, so the number will remain same. Now in base 4, so what is 01? That is 1, and 11, that is 3, and 10, that is 2, and sorry, 10, that is 2, and 11, that is 3, and 01, that is 1. And similarly 10, that is 2, 01, that is 1, and 10, that is 2. So now this is in base 4. I think the things will be very clear, and let's take another example to make it very clear. Now again this is a binary number, and this time we need to convert in octal number. So now tell me, octal number can be represented with how many digits? So we know octal number can be represented with 3 bits. So let's start pairing with 3 bits like previous questions. So let's, and here this is the point from where we'll start. So start making pairs in that manner. Okay, so this time we'll make pair with 3, sorry, this time we'll grouping with 3 digits. So 101, this is one group, again 101, this is another group, 1011, this is another group, and we have 11. So add 0 at very beginning. So okay, now here 100 and 11, again here increase 0, so this will make no effect of the number. Okay, so what is 101? This is 5, 101, this is again 5, 1100, this is 6, and 011, that is 3, and 100, that is 4, and 110, that is 6. Now this binary number has been converted in octal number. Okay, again this is another question. So binary to hexadecimal conversion. So in hexadecimal system we use 4 bits. So start grouping with 4 digits. So, okay, so and we'll start with this point. Now 1011, this is one group, 0104, this is another group, and 1110, this is third one. And now here 1001, this is one group, 100, this is another group. So just start writing. So what is 1101? This is simply 13, and 13 will represent with D, and 1010 this is 10. So 10 can be represented as A, and 0111 that is 7, and 1001 that is 9, and 1001 that is 8. Okay, so let's take an example. This is a base 4, that means base 4 to base 8 conversion. How can we convert it? So first convert base 4 to binary. So base 4 uses only 2 bits, so each digit, so 1 can be represented as 01, and 2 that is 10, and 1 this is 01, and 3 that is 11, and 1 that is 01, and 2 that is 10. Now this number is in binary, so binary to octal we can convert it easily. So start grouping with 3 digits. So 100 this is one group, 110 this is another group, and 110 this is third one. So here as well 011 this is one group, and 000 this is another group. So what is 001? That is 1, 011 that is 3, 011 that is again 3, and 001 again 3, and 000 that is 0. Okay, so this is in octal form. Okay, so I hope the things will be very clear, and today we have discussed about how to convert any 2 power base to any other 2 power base. Okay, so in our next video we'll take some NIMSET previous year questions, so that uh, you can just get more confident that. Okay, see you.